Hey everyone, if you've been looking for a simple way to organize your notes, ideas, and projects all in one place, you're in the right spot. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Microsoft OneNote, from creating your first notebook to organizing pages and syncing everything across your devices. So yeah, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft OneNote on your computer or visit the web version in your browser. Sign in using your Microsoft account if you haven't already. Once you're signed in, you'll see your notebooks or the option to create a new one. Now click New Notebook, give it a name that matches your project or subject, and create it. Think of a notebook like a physical binder where you'll keep everything related to one topic. Inside your notebook, you'll organize everything using sections and pages. Sections work like dividers, while pages hold your actual notes. Create a new section for different categories, then add pages for individual topics. Click anywhere on a page and start typing. You can format text, create checklists, insert images, tables, links, or even draw using the built-in drawing tools. OneNote automatically saves everything as you work, so there's no need to press save. To keep everything organized, drag pages into the order you want or create additional sections whenever needed. If your notebook grows, simply use the search bar to instantly find notes, keywords, or even text inside images. It makes finding information really fast. One of the best features of OneNote is automatic syncing. As long as you're signed into the same Microsoft account, your notebooks stay updated across your computer, tablet, and phone, making it easy to continue working from anywhere. And that's the basics of using Microsoft OneNote. Once you get comfortable with notebooks, sections, and pages, organizing information becomes much easier. If this tutorial helped you, feel free to check out more Microsoft Office guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.